for joining along with my Sugar Shoot series, the editorial series I'm currently working on. I'm Kathleen, Lucille Photography, if you don't recognize the face. Maybe I look a little different with my little belly here. But I wanted to dive in and talk about some of these sugar shoots. So let's go ahead and let's take a look right now. So with this shot, I've actually gotten a couple questions. How do you get these types of shots? Actually pretty straightforward. You'll be surprised. I'm going to use a gel as an example, but that's not what I typically use. So let me see if I can find a light colored gel. We're going to go ahead and use this one. So you can see there's a surface. Here's the gel. Here's the gel. You can see I can put it down as a flat surface where it's barely visible. And then, if you have enough structure, you can lay things on top of this. So here you can see you can lay things on top of it. So a great way to do that is to have model hold just plastic above her. So if she's holding it above her, you can put things on top and it will give a little bit, if you have the right aperture, a little bit of that blurred effect like she's seeing through something. I've done this a couple times. I did this in a glitter shoot. You should go and check that out if you haven't. That was a lot of fun. But that's a great way to kind of create some depth and dimension. I like to kind of put some things out of focus in the foreground to help create that type of dimension. Thanks again for joining me on this set in our Sugar Editorial Series. If you want to see past sets from the Sugar Editorial Series, you can head to my website, www.lucillephotography.com, or check out my Instagram. My handle is Lucy Limoncello. That's LucyLimoncello, or you can search Lucille Photography LLC. It'll bring that up too. If you have any questions about anything that I've gone over in the video, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. I want to help other people grow and feel passionate photography. If you're interested in a session or want to do any creative branding, feel free to reach out to me as well. Have a great day, you guys.